Modern design balances textures using a brick and glass facade. A flat roof and wooden slats add interest, while a vibrant flower garden softens the structure's strong lines. Contemporary minimalism shines here with a sleek white facade and warm wooden accents. The pitched roof adds height, while a black lattice fence provides privacy without blocking light. Traditional charm meets curb appeal with crisp white siding and a gray shingle roof. Raised wooden flower beds and symmetrical black planters create an inviting, structured entrance path. Create a picturesque streetscape using neatly trimmed hedges and classic wooden fences. White hydrangeas complement the facade, enhancing the serene atmosphere of this charming, well-shaded suburban neighborhood. This serene exterior demonstrates the power of landscaping. Trees provide essential shade, while neatly trimmed hedges and blooming hydrangeas frame the white facade, maximizing the home's curb appeal. Enhance a brick exterior by adding vibrant color with large wooden planters. A cobblestone path offers rustic texture, while trimmed bushes and topiary trees create a manicured look. Minimalist gardens pair perfectly with contemporary glass architecture. Using drought-resistant succulents in wooden planters adds greenery, while a gravel pathway maintains clean lines and ensures low maintenance requirements. This colonial exterior utilizes black shutters for contrast against white siding. Lush hydrangea bushes in various colors line the paved pathway, creating a classic, welcoming suburban garden aesthetic. Vertical gardening maximizes space in suburban backyards. A wooden lattice fence adorned with hanging flower baskets adds privacy and color, beautifully framing the brick house and lush greenery. Contrast creates visual impact in modern design. A rustic wooden deck warms up a sleek black and glass facade, while road planters provide functional space for growing herbs. Combine utility and aesthetics with raised wooden beds along a gravel path. A white picket fence frames the garden, complementing the red brick house for a charming pastoral feel. Transform perimeter fencing into a vertical garden using hanging baskets. Rounded topiary bushes and a pea gravel path create a structured, organized look that enhances the home's privacy. Efficiently organize a backyard vegetable garden using rectangular raised beds on gravel. This neat layout maximizes sunlight exposure for crops while maintaining a clean, accessible, and community-focused appearance. Achieve a professional landscape look by using wooden slatted fences to divide garden zones. Varied shrubs and colorful flowers soften the white facade, creating a balanced, serene environment. Modernize a garden space with statement pieces like glossy black ceramic pots. Spherical topiaries offer geometric contrast, while horizontal slat fencing ensures privacy without compromising the open feel.